Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set time on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First thing that we need to do here is first have to ensure that we have the latest updates on Snapchat. So in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for Snapchat, and see if there are any updates, because sometimes if you don't have the latest version from Snapchat, you might not see all the available features. So in this case, let's go open up Snapchat once we updated them. Now in this case, we are now inside the camera for Snapchat. Now in this case, by default, you only see the 3 or 4 icons there at the top right, but if you click on this down arrow button there, you should be able to see the other options that is available. In this case, one of those options is going to be timer. So if you want to set a countdown timer for your photo or video, you could use this feature. So let's go and click on it. Now, for you to set a timer, just hit on the icon again, and from here, set the amount or the timer that you want to set. Like for example, you want to set this for 3 seconds here, and just hit on set timer. And from here, let's go ahead and start recording our video. As you can see, 3, 2, and 1, it's going to start recording that video, and you are now good. So, you can go ahead and proceed on sending this to someone or sharing it with other people, and you should be good. So, that's basically how you can set time on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.